Verify you have two saber handles down. Right, see your tabs.
Whitson and Fischer currently performing what are known as buddy checks, basically checking each other's spacesuit configuration. And the simplified aid for EVA rescue, the handles on that on each jetpack that they wear. In the unlikely event they would require the use of those jetpacks to fly back to the safety of the space station.
Yeah, I believe it's Zenith stanchion, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
002.
That is affirmative, the Zenith stanchion.
Okay, that's on and latch. Do I need to loosen it all the way? Make it work with the others? That's not far enough. This one's...
And of course, we'll leave that ratchet tethered to the crew lock bag, and you can then translate to the failed XPECA H1. Nader.
I wonder if you could do vertically on that fram handrail. I don't know.
And Peggy, see that you've got your BRT. You think you've got a good body position to break tort?
Yeah, let's see if I can get it in here.
Just let me know when you're ready for motion.
I'm ready, buddy.
Okay, in mark.
And be prepared to stop here while I rotate that back around.
No problem. You can bend at the knees.
Okay, so we're starting motion then.
Yes, sir. Please.
Copy.
I got a red on it. I'm locking it out, and then I have two locked scoops.
Perfect.
And good pin. Clean channel. The bolting. And let me click on the nadir.
Ma'am? Here, I can move it.
Okay, Peggy, see you making your way up and that you're immediately below that smooth aluminum panel with the decal on it. Up to your left, immediately behind the radiator, there's a good stanchion underneath MLI. So you can touch that stanchion. Of course, remember, only light touch on the radiator.
3 hours, 28 minutes into today's spacewalk, an outstanding view of Jack Fischer as he makes his way towards the Columbus module to retrieve a portable foot restraint.
Some sort of cable that looks an awful lot like a gap spanner. Be tempting. I won't touch it though.
On this 200th spacewalk in support of space station assembly and maintenance, a scintillating view of Jack Fischer as the International Space Station flies directly over Acapulco.
Settings do we need over there? We'll do them here.
Great question. Your settings are going to be 6, clocking of 6, and it's going to be Tango, Tango, Echo 1.
Tango, Tango, Echo 1.
Good words. And Peggy, see you at the airlock. And Peggy, you are go to open the hatch thermal cover at this time and start working on stowing your XPECA and crew lock bag.
Monster.
Approaching the west coast of Peru, Jack Fischer with the articulating portable foot restraint that will be attached to the side of pressurized mating adapter number 3. This to be pre-staged for future spacewalking activity involving that work site, to which an international docking adapter will be attached for commercial crew vehicle dockings in the years ahead. When it's all said and done, the only 2 tasks that appear to be left undone today are lower priority tasks, that being the installation of wireless antennas on the Destiny laboratory and the installation of a high-definition camera out on the truss of the station, that work to be picked up on a future EVA.